Yes, we are on spring break and we are spring cleaning because we let this pool get to this. It is disgusting. So
it's actually a pond.
Yeah,
you can call it a rotten pond.
It looked more like a swamp.
Yeah.
And you know we have swamps down here in Louisiana, and this right here is disgusting. So we getting down and dirty with our buckets. And Shelby has her scrub pads. Shelby has her cleaner, and she has scrub pads that she's using to get all of this off of there. That's why we gotta let it sit for a little bit.
Yeah, but I'm trying.
Then we have.
Can I drop this?
No, because I want to break. And then we have some pool
and water
cleaners
to
clean and disinfect and get all the gunky unky out of it. And so.
We saw the tiniest frog in the world.
We did see a tiny frog. And I don't care how tiny they are, I still hate them. And Dad put up our fence. He did it all by himself. He did a great job putting the fence back up. Oh yeah, G did help him too.
Well, let's just give credit to Daddy.
Why are we just gonna give credit to Daddy?
Because G did half the work.
He did some work. But so we're about to get back to it.
Yeah. So we will see you when we're almost done. Ready, set, go. Okay, guys. So watch as my mom is filling up the bucket and throwing it out. That's how we're gonna get some of it out. And then we're gonna get on the drain. And then
we let it out from the drain as much as we could, and then nothing else comes out.
Yeah, so we have to take out some like random stuff out of it. There might be spiders in there, but it doesn't matter.
No telling what's in here.
There could probably be an alligator in here.
There's no alligator.
Well, probably.
But we gotta make sure we put the
Pool clean.
cover on next time.
Yeah.
So this right here
is swamp throw up. Yeah, so she doesn't have to work out. This is a hand. It starts with the letter H. Okay.
Pressure washer. Shelby still scrubbing.
Hi guys, it's too loud so you can't hear me. But we're cleaning the pool.
And she just sitting there looking. Jump in and help them. But the pressure washer is doing it. I took a steamer, but it was just doing 2 little sections at a time. Oh, girl. That thing right there, that pressure washer is getting it. Yeah, we need a couple of those in there. We'll have it done for long. Y'all want to see the nastiest dog in the world? Lord. Let her out to run around since the fence is up and she waddles in all the mud. Charlotte. You are disgusting. It's nasty. Now she's laying under the water faucet with the water running on her. This is about to take a bath. So this is what the pool's looking like now. We have a shock treatment in it. We filled it up. I don't know if this is a part of the shock treatment or what, but whatever this is. But it's still getting cleaned. But we did pretty good getting the stuff off the side of the walls and stuff like that. So we are switching it from the regular filter. We use the regular filters system to the sand filter system, because these are supposed to be way better. And both of them are the same type, because this is a flow clear filter system, and then this is a flow clear sand filter system. And so hopefully this one will work a lot better in keeping the pool clean and keeping it just clear, so that we can maintain it a little bit better. So the filter is all set up. So this is what it's looking like. It still has some of that whatever treatment stuff that we use, so hopefully this filter will get that out of here, all of that brown sandy stuff you guys see.